Hey, welcome to the Backwoods Gourmet. Today we're at Polk Sporting Clays. We're going to shoot some sporting clays and we're going to cook some lunch. So y'all stay tuned. Got unloaded, got the Rhino loaded up. Let's go down and check in. Again. Hey guys, I really suck at this. Remember, it's way up high.
Oh.
Got it.
Oh.
You want it? Broke it that time. Pull it. Oh. That's belly button shooting there. I can't get it on my shoulder.
That shit hurts, Jack.
Alright guys, so what we got in here is the main thing. It's going to be our cooking device. We got the Firebox right here. This is a little backpack, and this is the grill version of the Firebox. And we got a little hiking set there. Also got some fire starting material. Got a striker. I got some cotton balls with kit paraffin. So let's go ahead and set up the Firebox right here in the bed of the Rhino. Yeah, this is steel. So we're going to be good to go there. Let's go ahead and take the Firebox loose here. Pop this little plate off. This is the hardest thing about getting it apart. I think it's hard to get off sometimes. That's your little ash pan, and then this just folds out. And you got a plate in the bottom here that drops. That holds it open. Now there's a certain way this little ash pan slides in the bottom. That actually keeps your fire ashes up off the floor. That's why we can do it right here on the Rhino. Alright, we already found us some twigs. Find a good level spot. Got her going now. Might have to move that camera back a little bit. So stand by. So there, go. Kind of getting the hang of this now. That's the high one coming in right here. Cut him. Oh, the old safety pole. The safety.
It's the first time.
The safety pole. Yeah. That happens every once in a while. Okay. So you ready this time, B?
Okay. No.
Got it.
Okay.
Hey.
Ready?
Yeah.
You want both?
Yeah.
He only has one shell.
I have only one.
You gotta hit A. Got it. Now you can try pear. All right, so we'll let that burn down a little bit and go ahead and put our little camp pan on top of there. Butter's kind of gotten melted now. We'll go ahead and squeeze that out of the bag. Pretty hot out here today. About a tablespoon of butter. Probably gonna have to feed that a few more twigs under there just to keep that hot enough. It's real easy to do in the firebox. Just drop them right in the top. Pre-made us a sandwich. Hopefully it'll fit. Oh, just barely. It's ham and cheese. If it starts getting too hot, just pull it off for a minute.
Ladies first.
Danke. Pull A again. Can't get, I don't know what the hell.
Come on, Backwoods.
Hey, pull.
Woo!
I'm just gonna go ahead and use my knife to help me flip it. Set. Gotta go easy. That cheese is getting nice and melty. Alright, it's been a few minutes on that side. Let's go ahead and give it a flip. Oh, it's trying to break apart on me. Oh, it's nice and melty. And that's about perfect. Let's take it off. Set it down here on the bottom of our little pot. Let that cool off a second.
A. Damn. Damn. It's tough, man.
A lot of suck.
It sucks a lot here.
No, I want that roller one again. Getting a little better. Here, I can get pretty good. It's already loaded. Good.
I take the B one. Okay, and I'll take the A. Yeah!
Woohoo!
Woohoo! Yippee-ki-yay!
Ah!
So, you know, I've been getting all kinds of weird looks out here on the side of the trail cooking up this grilled cheese sandwich. But now we're going to go in for the payoff. That's just so much better than a cold sandwich. Can't even tell you. It took us like 5 minutes to make. So Mrs. Backwoods just asked me final thoughts on the day. I had a great time, even though I've definitely learned how bad I suck now at shooting clay targets, but we'll definitely be back here, and we definitely did improve as the day went on, of course, you know, a little rusty. Been a long time since I had a shotgun, probably 5 years from the last time I've been duck hunting. And it's a little different environment, but this place is really relaxed. You kind of go at your own pace. You stop at what stations you want. Not a lot of people here today, so it's not like an organized event or anything going on. You just kind of wander from one station to the other, stay as long as you want, shoot as many times as you want. So we're here at Polk Sporting Clays in Haines City, Florida. So if you guys want to check out a really cool place, it's about the only place I know of around right now that's open for sporting clays, and it's right here on the at the FFA Training Center off of Hatch and Hall Road. So we're gonna get back to the house, make something to eat, and I'll have a couple cold beers, and we'll see y'all next time.
Dre?
Oh no.
Oh, yes.
No, I want to say nothing. No, that's good. Come on.